Good morning, dear students. Today, let's start chapter 10 of your English literature. Children, the name of the chapter is The Prince and the Swallow. And children, this is a fable. Fable means a story. Children, a fable is a literary genre that encompasses, means that adds short stories that usually contain animals, plants, non-living things and natural forces as characters. A fable usually tries to impart a message or moral. Means a fable usually tries to give you a message or a moral, and it contains the characters such as plants, non-living things, natural forces and animals. And this story also is about a prince. Prince here in the sense, here in this story there is a statue of a prince, and there is another character, that is swallow. Children, swallow in Hindi, there is a bird named ababil. हिंदी में स्वालो को अबाबील कहते हैं. अबाबील एक प्रकार का पक्षी होता है. सो नाउ लेट्स कम टू द चैप्टर. हाई अबव द सिटी ऑन अ टॉल कॉलम stood the statue of the happy prince. Means children, in very high of a city place, on a tall column there was a statue of the happy prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. Children, here is a word gilded. Gilded means in Hindi पोताई करना, उसकी कलई करना, उसको पेंट करना. Means it was painted all over with thin leaves of fine gold. Means the statue of the happy prince was gold shiny. For eyes he had two bright sapphires. Sapphires, children, here sapphires means in Hindi नीलमणि. Means दो, मतलब उनकी आँखों की जगह पे दो नीलमणि लगा दी गई थी. उसकी प्रिंस की जो आँखें थी वो कैसी थी, नीले स्टोन की बनी हुई थी. एंड अ लार्ज रेड रवि ग्लोड ऑन हिज स्वॉर्ड हिल्ट. और इसके स्वॉर्ड का जो हैंडल होता है उस पे क्या लगा हुआ था, एक रेड रबी. मीन्स एक रेड कलर का स्टोन लगा हुआ था. दिस इज, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, देयर इज अ रेड रबी इन हिज हैंडल ऑफ स्वॉर्ड. एंड these two eyes are made up of sapphires. He was very much admired indeed. He is as beautiful as a weathercock. Children, weathercock means a metal pointer on the top of a building which shows the direction of the wind. Remarked one of the town councils, who wished to gain a reputation for having artistic tastes, only not quite so useful. He added, fearing taste people should think him impractical, which he really was not.